Hi, welcome to Maptive. In this tutorial, we're going to talk about your stacked markers. Stacked markers look like a marker with a number in them. They won't all be 2. Mine is an extreme example where I literally duplicated my data on purpose for you. But if you click on a marker, you can actually scroll through those locations, and this is when you find out I really did do that. You can remove one, and if you remove this one, it doesn't remove the other one, but this is how you do it. Now, in some cases, there's legitimate reason to have a stacked marker. Maybe they're both in the same building, something like that, but you don't like seeing this because if we are using any of the other tools, it can sometimes get in the way. So you do have the capability of turning this off by going into Map Settings, into Map Markers and Graphics, and then we're just going to scroll down until we find Unstack Markers. And we're going to go off to on. All the 2s are gone, but where did those markers go? Well, in order to see them separate, because they're likely sitting on the same rooftop or location, you're going to have to zoom in very, very closely in order for them to move apart enough to be able to click on one and not the other. So they're going to sit right on top of each other even if they're no longer stacked. Just know that. Remember, anytime you turn a switch on, you can turn it back off. If you have any questions, please feel free to reach out to us. Thanks for watching. Bye.